Happy birthday!
So siguro sabihin ka natin yung project natin, discover opportunities.
Discovering opportunities. Please like proud member. The journey so far, so cute.
So cute.
So cute.
So, local skills development director for 2025, and my journey for JCI, so quite challenging.
Wala tayong magagawa. Nandiyan yung kabila. The power couple of JCI Philippines now, of course, come from JCI Malabon.
Hello. Good morning, everyone. I'm Kier from JCI Malabon Secretary. If I'm going to describe JCI, my journey to JCI, ecstatic, full of excitement.
Jay from JCI Malabon. So, since journey po is exciting. So, excited din po ako sa mga mangyayari pa.
Good morning, I'm Mel. I'm from JCI Malabon, Executive Vice President, National Relations. So, we're from 4 JCI is excitement, gastos, tapos kuya, and effort talaga.